Hey guys, I know it's been a while. I'm very behind on videos. I'm very behind on posting. I know. Okay. Hey guys. Okay. So today we're doing some sustainability, some RealReal purchases. I'm gonna talk about them, why I got them, what the price points were, and what they would have been retail versus what I paid for them, kind of things. Just my whole sustainability. This year I've been trying to do a lot more sustainability in terms of buying things, clothing especially, and some secondhand bags and stuff like that. No bags in here. I think they're both pouches, but whatever, same difference. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do today. I know it's gonna be. I'm really bad. I've been really bad. I've been trying to post a lot more shorts, but I still have a bunch of videos to post. Just need to find the time to post them. So we're going to start doing those more. September. Yeah, September. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and today we're doing two quick RealReal unboxing sustainabilities, loving sustainable Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, sustainable September. Perfect, sustainable September. Okay, because it's Tuesday, right? Okay. Anyway, so that we're gonna talk about that. If that's you're interested, please stick around. Please special like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna unbox these first, vertical, and then we'll talk about them right after. So we're gonna miss the unboxing, although maybe I'll just put it side by side here. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do sustainability. Okay, so I already unboxed everything for the talk tick, and I actually already hung them up because it's been a minute. So now it's Wednesday. So maybe this is gonna be posted on Wednesday. Okay, so this is the first thing. Well, no, this is the first thing. This is a little Prada tee. It was like $60, and normally these are like $600-700. It's used, but I don't see any wear. It looks really good. It's a little fitted for me right now because I'm a little on the chunkier side right now, but goals. It's very understated. Like, it's literally just a blue t-shirt. There's no Prada logo. I think right here on the back it says Prada, but that's about it. But I had a shirt like this that got stolen, so I'm really glad that I got another one. And this one was cheaper than that one, obviously. So that's the first thing. Yay. Okay. Then this is an All Saints shirt, but it was $18 versus like $45. It said pristine too, so it doesn't look like there's anywhere. I had a shirt like this in black that I really want to get. They don't make the scoop neck anymore. I really like the scoop neck. I have it in white, and I had one in black, and the black one my friend tore. Long story, we got into a fight and tore it. That's all I'll say. Okay, anyway. So this is to replace that. I couldn't find a black one, but I found this gray one. Then this might be my favorite thing. It's another scoop neck. It's a Louis Vuitton one. Again, totally like the material is so nice. Totally like casual, not really like anything going on. I mean, there's like a little damier print right there in the corner if you can see it, right here over the pocket. But and it says Louis Vuitton right there. I didn't even see that. But other than that, it's literally a nice and like it's so comfy. This might be my favorite. I'm gonna wear this today, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this today. Okay. Yay. All right. And then, so these two were kind of, I wanted more. I'm trying to get more pouches because I want to like organize the inside of my bags with pouches, and I'm all way already out. So I wanted to get some other things to like differentiate. So this was the first one, and it was in like pristine condition, no wear, and I want to say it was like $300 versus retail is probably like, retail on those the Louis Vuitton shirt was $50 or $60, and normally those I didn't find anything actually the exact same, but comparable Louis Vuitton shirts start like $575 and go up to like $800 for their plain tees. So huge savings. Okay, this is normally I think like $1,000 at Louis Vuitton. Again, couldn't find this exact model, but comparable ones around $1,000. This was $3 something. It was like discounted. It's a little pouch, and it comes with this little, which I've never seen the RealReal do, but it came with a little certificate of authenticity from Entropy. So that's pretty cool, but confirming it's authentic, because sometimes the RealReal does have slip-ups, I think. But anyway, okay, it's like a little, it's supposed to be a wallet, but I'm gonna use it as a pouch. It doesn't like, it's not gonna fit the world in it, but it'll fit some stuff. It's got also 6 card slots and a pocket here in case you do want to use it as a wallet, like a little clutch if you want to just like, not usually, like I said, not a huge Louis Vuitton flashy, but I do like this print a little better, this and the Epi. because they're a little less. And then the last thing I got, which is something a brand I've been wanting to get for a while, and I haven't pulled the trigger on actually going to the store and getting it. And I've gone to Paris a few times, and I just haven't pulled the trigger on anything because I've not been. But I thought I would get this because it was $100 and test it out to see how I like it. And if I like it, then I will, go out and get an extra thing. It's Moya, and I also like it because of the M's, and I really wanted to get something in this pattern that they have, which is the bronze, because it's like a goldy bronze, and it comes with gold hardware, which is just hitting all the boxes. I don't love this so much, but whatever, I can just wear it this way. And they do monogramming, so if I like this, I'll get a monogram with my initials. And yeah, but I think I have to go to Paris to get it monogrammed because I don't think they do it in the US right now. I have to double check, but I'm pretty sure my essay guy that I talked to and I've never bought anything from at South Coast Plaza said that they don't do the monogram yet, so I'll have to go to Paris to do it, which is fine for the Paris trip. But yeah, it's like a little pouch. It has wear. It's got some like lipstick, like stains in there and stuff like that. But it's a great little pouch, and this one will, I think, fit in my Kelly, which is why I got it, because most of my other pouches do not fit. They're too big for the Kelly, so this is like, it can even just be like literally just go inside and be like the organizer, because I don't have a good organizer that I like for it right now, and I don't want to get a really super expensive one, but I don't really want to use one of the cheaper ones. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, so this was like, and then it has a little detachable little strap, so you can actually just wear a little wristlet. Yeah, I really wanted this pattern in their tote bag, but I don't want this. They have a new tote bag with like this little M cutout, that for your arm to sit, but it doesn't come in this pattern. But I did go to Moya in London on my last trip, and I ran into somebody who was a TikTok fan, and he like came up to me, and he was so sweet. His name is Hermès. And he came up to me, he was so sweet. He's like, I think I've seen your videos, and I was like, ah! And I should have taken a picture with him. I didn't. That was silly. I'll do that next time. If you're watching, hi. Well, it's TikTok, but if you're watching here, hi. And I'll post a TikTok about you too. Okay. Thanks for your help. Anyway, so I'm really excited to try this out, see how I like it, and if I like it, then we'll go back and we'll get it monogrammed and then we'll get it back. So that's everything I got. Oh, this was 100 and something versus 700. So I don't actually know the price of this because Moya took the prices off of their website. They used to have them, now they don't. But I want to say this is like 700 because like a small one is like 300 to 500. So I would just assume this is around 7. I don't love the stripes. Like I said, I'm gonna ask them if I can put a monogram on this side. Where would I put it? I mean, it already has the M's. That's why I like it, because it's M's. Anyway, okay, yay. That's all I got. That was my sustainable September shopping part 1 and 2. More to come. Thank you guys so much. And sorry I've been around. I'll try to be more long form. I know a couple of you asked why am I not posting long form anymore. I will try to do it more. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for everything. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your friends because I know your time is valuable and I know you're precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.